Mango is a strategic data science consultancy. We help businesses who are looking to become data-driven. We help them generate data-driven value by applying advanced analytic techniques such as AI, machine learning and statistical modeling.
Mango exists to deliver data-driven value in our customers, and that's across a wide range of industries and a wide range of use cases as well. So all about delivering analytic value throughout organisations and empowering end users to use complex analytics to drive better performance and better results.
We help our clients in four general ways. We help them to educate and inspire the business to find the right questions to answer. We help them to execute data science projects resulting in realizable value in the business. Critically, we help them to build their own data science capabilities, so that can be a mixture of training, skills assessment, platform development and so on. And of course, ultimately we want to ensure this is business as usual, so we help them to implement real-world, repeatable frameworks to enable them to generate value on an ongoing basis.
Over the last few years, we've built up an absolutely brilliant team on the basis that actually we've got diverse skill sets and diverse experience ranges, which helps us ensure that we can deliver value to our customers.
The key ingredient in Mango is the people. That's really the secret to our success. Over the years, we've managed to build an incredible team of data scientists and data engineers who together have over 250 years of commercial, real-world data science experience. It's an incredible team. And that's why we are very confident when we work with clients that we can really help them to add value regardless of the challenge.